This trade looks so perfect. I almost didn't enter this particular trade, but look at what is happening right now. We are up over 1 to 15 risk reward ratio right here on this particular trade, and we're currently running over $3,700 on this particular trade. I don't know if you can pick it from there, right there. Just absolutely banger of a trade right here, and it was just amazing. All right, let me break down exactly what happened, what made me take this particular trade, and everything else step by step. All right, so let's get started. So if you go to our Facebook page, you're going to realize that I actually shared this on Facebook for free. I also shared this in our mentorship community for free, right? Our mentorship signals for free right here. Let me just show you. This was a gold forecast that we shared right here. Very nice setup. What we had was rally best drop supply zone with a break of structure. We have liquidity which was left behind right here, and what we wanted was market to come into this area before we can actually look for a drop. All right, so it was 100 pips stop loss and about 2,170 pips right here, and it was also shared on Facebook. If you go to our Facebook page, you're actually going to find it, right? And then guess what? The market actually came to our zone. However, this is what ended up happening. You can see that the time I was getting to the charts, the market had already gone to my predefined zone that I wanted to actually sell from initially. All right, and it had already reacted. So what I waited for was for the market to pull back so that I can actually execute. And I had that pullback, fortunately, and I was like, okay, the market may not come all the way there. Therefore, let me take this particular trade, and that's how I was able to actually take this particular trade at this level right here. And you can see that the parameters kind of changed. Now my stop loss was 150 pips, and my target was 2,160. That was yesterday around 10 hours, right? And you can see around 15:38, market was actually moving in our direction, and we're able to actually take this to break even so that we don't lose any money on this particular trade. And we're moving just beautifully up about $1,000 right there. And you can see right here, I was able to ask the community to go to actually secure about 2 hours of this particular trade, and the market was moving over 5 hours. We always do that because it's always important that you get paid as the market keeps on moving in our direction. That is extremely important, right? Just a quick one, right? If you'd like to be able to join our premium signals community and actually trade with us in real time, get real-time signals, get real-time update, there are links down in the description. And currently we are running a very massive promotion for you guys. You can get lifetime signals for only $50, something that goes $100 for a month. You're able to get this at this particular time at $50 for lifetime. Why, you may ask? Because we are celebrating having hit 1,000 followers on our new Facebook page. The old one was suspended, therefore we are trying to show our gratitude to you guys for actually following our page and all that. So for $50 you can get signals just like that. And remember, we're only looking for 50 serious traders right there. Okay, let's get back. And as you can see that at this particular point, after asking the community to actually go break even, and at 2 hours, I was able to actually tell them to push the price to this level right here, and we're actually running about $1,500 on this particular trade ourselves. Okay, apart from that, the market just kept on dropping in our direction. And you can see right here that this was today around 03 hours in the morning. You can see the market was just crazy moving during the Asian session, and I was like, okay, I've seen this before. Let me do what? Let me ask the community to actually trail the stop loss again. So we trailed the stop loss to about 4 hours in profit, and we kept on holding. And at this particular point, I was up over $2,000, about $2,500 on this particular trade myself. And guess what? The market just kept on dropping. The Asian low was taken out, and the market just kept on dropping to the downside. And at this particular point, we were literally up over 15 hours, and guess what? We always get paid. So we secured about 9 hours, and this was being done in real time. As you can see, that was around 7 hours, and I was up over almost is that like almost a $4,000 actually. And you can see that at this particular point, I saw the market trying to actually retrace back, and I was like, okay, let's secure the maximum we can secure on this particular trade, and hence we've secured 12 risk to reward ratio on this particular trade, which is supposed to be a 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio. That's if the market goes all the way to our target. And that's just amazing, guys. That's just amazing. All right, let's see what's happening right now. You can see, like I said, the market seemed to be retracing, but we're seeming to have some bearish momentum here, which is actually a good thing. And yeah, we're just remaining with a few pips before we can actually hit our target, which will be a 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio, which will be just absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely crazy. Let's break down this trade from what was happening on the higher time frame and everything, right? So you can see that we've seen a bearish market of late on gold, and I took advantage of that. So on the 4-hour time frame, the market was bearish. So we go to the 1-hour time frame. What is happening on the 1-hour time frame, and what prompted me to actually execute this particular trade right here? So you can see we had a drop, a push to the upside, a consolidation, and a drop, right? The best drop supply is on, right? And then we had nice liquidity which was left behind here. Very, very important. Once I saw this, I was like, okay, cool, we're going to wait for the market to actually come back to that particular area. And like I've explained already, I wanted the market initially to come to this area right here, and it actually came, but I was not on the chart to be able to take this particular trade, and then I missed this move right here. Fortunately, the market pulled back, giving me another opportunity to execute this particular trade, and that's when I executed. And then for my order block, let me show you where I actually got my order block, my initial order block. Let me just show you. Let's see if we can actually have something here. Yeah, you can see you just got this group of candles right here, and then we just took them to the right side and then just waited for the market to tap into that particular area, and the market literally just tapped. It just tapped and then dropped, right? And then I was here. I had now to make a decision to either let the market leave me behind or tag along, and that's what I did. You can see that right here. So the market after touching into my area, the market dropped and then leaving some zone right here. So what I waited for was for the market to tap back into this area, and once it did that, then I was in, and it was game over, guys. And then the market just kept on dropping and dropping and dropping, and the members in our premium signals community kept on eating and looks good so far. I think we're going to actually hit take profit. I love the momentum right there. I love how the market is pushing, and I think we should be back to about over 4,000 now. Let me just check. Yeah, we are back to about about $200 more. We are back to about $3,844 right there. And I mean, this is just amazing. This is absolutely amazing. And if you're not taking advantage of the current promotion, where you get all these signals right here, you get 1 to 3 signals daily, and for only $50 for lifetime signals, then I don't know what you're waiting for, because this is just more than a deal. This is like a once in a lifetime kind of a deal. And remember, we're only looking for 50. Once we hit the number, then the promotion is actually over. All right, so you guys, I actually hope you found value in this video. I was just excited to actually show you what happened on this particular trade. Absolutely banger of a trade. And like I said, we didn't do anything special on this particular trade. All we did was simply follow our strategy, our A+ setup. That's all we did. And if you also would like to actually learn the strategy, just tell me via the links down in the description. You can actually get it at $199 instead of the usual $500 to be able to get the lifetime mentorship and also lifetime signals just like that. All right, you guys, I hope you found value, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. All right, so see you in the VIP.